I got spitter shit on me.
Although we could attract it.
Oh shit, you wanna attract a horde?
Yes.
Shit, you're insane.
Bomb out. Y'all get ready now.
I don't see any coming from behind, so...
He threw in a box or a walk in.
Still something. Big one.
Behind us! Oh shit! There's a charger? Guys, they're like all over. Oh shit. Shit. Guys, this is not a good idea. Very much not a good idea.
Well, get up.
It
Get
almost
up.
went.
Hey, get your eggs.
Almost.
Hey, I ain't leaving you, but you better get up.
Thanks, bro. Hold on, man.
What went wrong then?
I'll heal you.
We got a tank. Big guy. He started throwing stuff at us.
Not going well.
Apart
Cover me,
from that,
please.
Oh man.
Healing. Cover me, please.
Because, you know, inviting a whole horde into this is such a good idea.
Do it again.
No.